Okay, hey guys. So wait, guys. Hey guys. No, wait, no. This is my cousin Zian Matthew Kyogandai. Base tour, base tour. I don't know. Calling him, guys. First of all, wait. Let me call him. Yeah. Hey, hi. Okay. Yeah, we're videoing. Say hi. Okay. First, guys, wait. Guys, this is the entrance. And oh, okay. Okay. Hi, Titi Sunny. Hi, Kuya Seth. Okay, Zian, let's go now. Let's do it now. Let's do it. Wait, let's do it now. Let's do it. Come here downstairs. We're doing, we're doing a tour. Okay, first this is the entrance. The stair to heaven. Um, Oh, so long. We just made this us two only. Okay, this is the way to heaven. Ah, I fell. No, I didn't. Forgot to.
Lagi parang na ano to, yun then and now. Nilagyan ko na ng pot ng
Okay, guys.
paano maano.
Sorry, I died. So,
Ha?
Ano po?
Ganoon. Nakakaroon dito.
okay, this is the playground. There's a bed in here too. Yeah, like you know, and chocolate. Mm.
Bakit nawala? Nawala yung photo.
Okay, and then let me go to my base. First, let's go here at the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Yeah, this is the stairs in here. This is the yeah. This yes, the roof. the view, and then this thing, yeah, this is the living room, and this is my bed. This is the toilet. Because if Zian and me need to poop together, and we can play Roblox together.
Yan,
Yeah, guys.
yan, ay,
The, yeah.
yan yung ito, wala.
Okay, that's all, guys. Bye.